Welcome to the latest edition of Fitch's Virtual Investor Series. I'm Rui Pereira. I'm the Global Head of Structured Finance. And today I'm joined by Ben McCarthy, a Managing Director in our Structured Finance business in the APAC region. Today we're going to discuss the performance in the APAC region. So let's jump right into it. Ben, give us an update on performance.
In the unique situation we've been in as we came through COVID, the whole region's obviously had the same circumstances. And so we're seeing performance be quite uniform across the region. And interestingly, off very low interest rate base, consumers perform fairly well. And the consumer continues to perform very well despite interest rates rising now. And I can say that right across the region and across asset classes.
Wonderful. And what's the outlook for the remainder of the year?
Well, the outlook we've got on asset classes and regions is generally deteriorating. And that's because we're coming off record lows in arrears and defaults. So we do expect as we've come out of COVID, and as interest rates rise, we're going to start to see the arrears levels and default levels across asset classes deteriorate from here.
Okay, and what are the pitfalls that investors should be mindful of, and things that maybe they should just be watching out for?
I think generally the expectation across the region is that economic growth is going to slow, or the economies are going to slow, right across almost all countries. And as we see, generally when the economy is slow, we see unemployment rise. And historically, that's been something that's led to increased defaults in the consumer portfolio. So we do expect that. But we also, when we look at that, we're coming off such low levels that we think we're not going to get even to the levels of the 5-year average pre-COVID. And therefore, our ratings, we're very comfortable with where we sit at the moment.
Wonderful. Thanks for your insights, Ben. And thank you for joining us. For more information on APAC Structured Finance, please visit fitchratings.com. And if you have any questions on the topics that we discussed today, please send an email to the address on the screen. And thank you all for watching.